Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter or find an order easily on the Bumper web app. Now, obviously, as you get more orders or as you add more orders to your Bumper web app, it's going to be a lot of orders. So you cannot just scroll through all your orders looking for one order or a couple of orders all the time. So there are multiple ways that make it quite easy for you to find an order or a set of orders. So first of all, you do have to be on the orders dashboard. So let's start with this filtering options here. Now here you can see your total orders, but when you click on this, you can see your unpaid orders or partially paid orders. So if you just want to see only your partially paid or unpaid orders, this is a great way to find them. Here you can see all the orders have been completed. And here you can see only unpaid orders. It's also the same as this in some way. So if you click on this, you can see your paid orders, same as this, your partially paid, pending orders, and unpaid orders, and finally all your orders. But beyond that, there's also the filter option and a couple of other options that you can use here. So let's delve into this one first. If you click on this option here, you're going to see multiple ways that you can filter an order. So if, for example, a customer comes to you and they're like, oh, I ordered on the website, but it hasn't been processed, and you want to know the status of that order or see if that order came through, you can ask them for the order ID, for example, and you can just put it in here and it would get you that order if that order exists. Now, another way you can track or filter or find an order is through the order status. So when you click on this, you can then filter by completed orders or, all of these order options here. So let's, for example, click on open orders and apply, and we'll see that these are the orders that are open. So you can filter by this open orders, or let's say completed orders, and something else, so that you can say by ascending or descending orders. You can just click on apply and you'll see all the orders in ascending form. So back here, you can also filter by payment status. So if, for example, you want to see orders that have been completed and paid for, you can just filter by that and you would see that here. Next is also the shipping status. So you can also filter by shipping status. You can also filter by attention orders. So if you want to see only orders that need attention, you can filter by that as well. And then you can also filter by the logistics partner and the sales channel. So where did the order come from? Did you get the order from Instagram? Did you record it on Instagram? You can filter by sales channels as well. And once you're done setting up your filters, you just click on apply and you would see the orders. Now, you can remove any of the filter options by just clicking on the X button. And if you want to clear all of the filters, you just click on clear all filters and you're back to the original setting. Then you can also filter by delivery date. So if, for example, you want to check the orders that were delivered on the 6th, you can filter by that, and also by the time that the orders were delivered. Once you apply a filter, as you can see here, we didn't have any order delivered at between 12 to 4 on the 6th. And we probably also don't have orders that were delivered on the 6th. But basically you can filter by delivery date and time as well. And then finally, you can filter by date range. So you can filter by orders of last week or orders of this week, last month, and on and on. You can also just pick the time frame yourself, the date range yourself. So you can always choose the date range that you want to filter by. And once you click on apply, the orders will come out and you will see all the orders. And then you can clear the filters to go back to default settings. Finally, you can just search. So if, for example, a customer says, okay, I had this order and I want to know the status, and you want to just quickly check, you can just come and say, okay, what's the customer's name? Or let's say the customer's name is Petra. You search and you will see all the orders that have been placed by Petra. If the person is Dami, you would also just you can search by name. So the search bar here allows you just search for an order as well. And that's it. That's how to, filter and find orders easily instead of just scrolling and looking through. You can just use any of these filter options and you can find your order in seconds. See you in the next video.